In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your ClickUp tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your tasks in the right order so you can find what you need faster and keep your day flowing smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the home page, look for the login button in the top corner and click it. For this walkthrough, I'll use the Continue with Google option since it's quick and secure. When prompted, select your Google account to sign in. If your organization uses another login method, that's fine. Follow your usual sign-in flow and then continue from here. Once you're in, navigate to the space where you want to sort tasks. In ClickUp, a space is a high-level area for a team or function, like marketing or operations. Click the space that contains the tasks you want to organize. Next, drill down to the specific list you're working with. A list is where related tasks for example, a list for requests or sprints. In our example, we'll open a list called Time Off Request, but you'll choose the list that makes sense for your work. Now switch the view to Board. The Board view displays tasks in columns, usually by status, and it's great for seeing workflow at a glance. With your list open in Board view, look toward the top of the screen for the Sort control and click it. This opens the sorting options so you can decide exactly how your tasks should be ordered. If you want a straightforward alphabetical order, choose task name. You can usually toggle between A to Z or Z to A, which is helpful if you want items like templates or recurring tasks to sit at the top or bottom consistently. If your work is driven by urgency, choose priority instead. ClickUp priorities typically range from urgent down to low, and sorting by priority pulls the most critical items to the front so they're hard to miss. Take a moment to confirm the sort is applied across the board and that the order looks right. Sorting doesn't change your task details or statuses, it just changes how they're displayed, so it's a safe way to bring clarity fast. You can revisit the sort menu anytime to switch from name to priority and back again, depending on what you need in the moment. That flexibility is key. Try alphabetical when you're scanning a large list, and switch to priority when you're planning your day. That's it. Go to ClickUp, sign in, open the right space and list, switch to Board view, and use Sort to order by task name or priority. With your tasks neatly arranged, you'll spend less time hunting and more time doing.